Hello, fabulous friends and firsties. This is Mrs. DeHaan. I thought I would take a minute to introduce you to some of my friends at my house. We have Jaeger, the German Shepherd, and Brighton, the Talker. And they're just playing. And then there's old Captain Jack. And this is what they do all day long. Hi, Jack. Hey, boy. Hey, good boy. Brighton. Brighton. Hi, boy. Jaeger. 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 Oh, there's their flip-flop they've been chewing up. You see it? Crazy dogs. Alright. Over here are some of my flowers. I'm so proud of them. They've worked really hard to grow this year. The storms tried to take them away, but they're doing pretty good. These are some of my rose bushes. And then I'm going to take you up the side of my house. If you remember, I told you a story once upon a time about some baby birds. Now, for those of you that don't know this story, I'll tell it again. Once upon a time, I came home from work and my daughter Lillian came running out of the house and she said, "Mom, Mom, don't come in the house. There's a snake." And I was like, "What, a snake?" She's like, "Yeah, apparently a snake went up the side of our house and into that little hole where birds come every year and build their nest." Well, if you listen really carefully, you can hear the baby birds. They're baby crows. And the mom's been coming in and out, giving them worms all day. I guess that's what she feeds them. I don't know. This is my front yard. My mailbox. There's another bird nest in that mailbox. There's my car. And Jaeger. Hi, Jaeger. This is Tristan's Minecraft town he's been working on. Oh, I thought that was a dead earthworm, but it's a piece of plastic. And then over here, I guess I should go slower, is our classroom. This is where I sit and talk to you guys every day. There's all your flowers from the classroom. My rocks, all that nasty salt. The orange. And then my rock collection, part of it. Ferocious Oakley. This is where they're homeschooling today. There's Ferocious Tristan. Where's Talon? Here she comes. Tay, Tay. Do you have any words you want to say to the friends?
Hi.
Talon?
How are you doing at homeschool?
Tristan wants to know how you're doing. And then it looks like Jack got shot. Jack, are you alive? Oh, they're sharing a stick. Jack, Jack. What you doing, boy? What you doing? Hey, what you doing? Oh, we might go in the dirt. Oh, here we go. Uh-oh. Bye, everybody.